Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an occasion when you had to wait a long time for someone to arrive. You should say who or what you were waiting for, how long you had to wait, why you had to wait a long time, and explain how you felt about waiting for such a long time.
One occasion that comes to my mind when I had to wait for a long time was when I was waiting for my friend at a restaurant. My friend and I had planned to meet at a popular restaurant in the city for dinner. We had decided on the time, and I reached the restaurant on time, but my friend didn't show up. I waited for almost an hour, and during that time, I ordered food and tried to pass the time by reading a book I had brought with me. I tried calling my friend, but his phone was switched off. I was starting to get worried and wondered if something had happened to him. Eventually, my friend arrived, and he explained that he had gotten stuck in traffic and his phone had run out of battery, so he couldn't inform me. I was relieved that he was okay, but I couldn't help feeling frustrated and annoyed that I had to wait for so long. The wait felt even longer because I was hungry, and I had to wait for my friend to arrive before I could order food. I felt like my time was being wasted, and I was disappointed that we couldn't enjoy our evening as planned. However, I tried not to let my frustration ruin the evening, and we ended up having a good time together. Overall, waiting for such a long time can be frustrating and annoying, but it's important to stay patient and positive, especially when you're waiting for someone you care about. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.